I can't express how much I love it when the lights are off, like this lighting. Hi, welcome back to 31 Days of Halloween. I'm Brianna, your resident son of a I'm just kidding. Your resident makeup artist. I am the owner of breemaquillage here in Sandy, Utah. Stop on by if you haven't yet. I want to meet you. Today we are going to be doing our favorite supervillain, kind of. You know, honestly, our first lesbian crush. Let's just be honest. Our first lesbian crush was Sheego, like hands down. Will it focus? Maybe. My phone's broken. Literally stop judging me. So we're gonna be turning ourselves into Sheego today. Who is excited? I think this is gonna be such a fun costume to do. If you really don't have a lot, like, Sheego's got you. It's gonna be super fun, super simple, and super sexy. All the S's, alliteration. The alliteration gang. Strap on your boots, strap on your heels, grab some popcorn, grab a friend. Let's get going. All right, first things first with Sheego, let's get a base down. So do foundation and concealer. All right, next, let's dip into the Remember Me palette right here, and let's use some green shades to make a beautiful eye. All right, the first color I'm gonna be dipping into is Adventurer. I don't want to set it because I want the greens to be vibrant, but crazy. Ooh, we love. Okay, and then go into Serene right here, and that all over the lid. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and fill in our brows, but not just with anything, with black eyeliner. So I'm gonna use my IOU line plus my very favorite and go ahead and fill in those brows. You're also gonna wanna do that little check mark on your right eye. I can't figure it out. So I'm using the thick side for this. Ooh, it looks so good on camera. And then the other one is the same shape, but without the little front check mark kind of thing. She also has pretty darn thick black eyeliner. She doesn't even have green mascara eyeshadow. I just wanted to add that. Okay, then we're gonna of course take this one more time and do our top lip. Now, Sheego really has a very curvy and slanted downwards, so let's try to mimic that shape. Looks like a little mustache. Okay, there she is. Should we do a nose though? Kinda want to. Okay, now we're gonna do some body painting. Yay! So I'm just gonna outline it. Okay, so then fill this outline in with black. I'm gonna go ahead with this, since I already used it in black, and Noir from the Remember Me palette, and fill it in. I'm gonna go ahead and give my neck a spray. Alrighty, black stripe done. Then it's like green. So we're gonna take a foundation brush into the electric palette, into this bright green on top, and go ahead and spray one more time and get painting. I'm gonna go into the second one because she's a little bit more, hey, how are you doing? Hey. She's a little bit more this color green. Maybe it's just my like body, but that was turning so yellow. That's much better. I kind of want this brush now. It's got a little bit more surface area. Okay, so then it's down her neck and then her shoulder is below. Okay, so then it goes. See? Are you seeing? Oh no, movie magic ruined. Okay, so it's like deep, and then up that. This part is green. This part is black. This part is black. Okay, cool. We kind of have an outline. There's also a button kind of thing. Kind of right there. So, fill in. Back to black. This looks terrible. So now that you look a hot ass mess, start outlining. Make sure it's the big side. My left hand. I did not breathe. Oh my goodness. Did not line over there. Oh my goodness. What is wrong with me? Should have done the whole thing with Remember Me. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. We did it, yo. We did it. We are Sheego. I don't know how we did it, but we did it. So let's add finishing touches, and then I will Hi, nice to meet you. I can't. What? What? I don't even know what Sheego says. But what? Bitch. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking. Literally do it. Because of this. What? Oh my gosh, I need a Kim Possible to my Sheego. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful October, and don't forget to smile. That's literally nothing that I ever say, but you know, we're feeling. Subscribe already. I haven't watched that show in years, but I look good. I can't!